Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Openbank Review My Usage Experience. Openbank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing different banking products and services offered by Openbank. Its main purpose is to help users make informed decisions about their banking needs, targeting individuals looking for a comprehensive and unbiased overview of Openbank's offerings. Key features likely include account reviews, service comparisons, and possibly customer rating aggregations. Their website provides details on the specific features and functionalities available. The platform aims for ease of use and pricing transparency. Since it's a review platform and not a banking service itself, there's no direct cost involved. It positions itself as a valuable resource for anyone considering Openbank, comparing it implicitly to other banking review sites or individual bank websites. Availability is readily accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Openbank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I simply went to their website and began browsing the available reviews. The interface was clean and intuitive. I particularly liked the filtering options, which allowed me to narrow down reviews based on specific Openbank products like savings accounts or credit cards. The reviews themselves were detailed and provided a good range of perspectives. The quality of the information presented felt accurate and unbiased. I was particularly impressed by the way they organized information, making it easy to quickly grasp the pros and cons of each product. I had a quick question about the rating system, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare multiple Openbank products side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone was a bit cumbersome. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Openbank Review My Usage Experience. It provided exactly the information I needed to make an informed decision about which Openbank product best suited my requirements. That's my overview of Openbank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.